Want to create professional looking videos in minutes, even if you have no video editing experience? With InVideo AI, you can turn your ideas into stunning videos with a single prompt. Let's see how it works. We'll start by giving InVideo AI a simple prompt to create and explain a video about the benefits of remote work. InVideo AI gives you a full script, but you can easily edit it to fit your message. Simply click on the text and make your changes. Don't like a particular clip? No problem. You can swap any video clip or image with a simple text command. Let's change this office scene to someone working from a cozy home office. InVideo AI automatically generates subtitles for your video. You can easily edit the text, change the style, and even choose from different animation presets to make your subtitles stand out. You can also change the AI voiceover to match the tone of your video. Let's switch to a male voice with a British accent. And that's it. With InVideo AI, you can create and edit professional videos in just a few minutes. Ready to bring your ideas to life?